Hopefully they're open.
I'm sure they probably are. It's after 12 o'clock on a Sunday.
Hmm?
Yep. There. I've got a coupon for a free wash.
I've never seen that. What company is that?
Take 5.
Yeah, we're Mr. Car Wash now. No, I'm just playing.
That's funny.
You're like, So, let me see here.
Will it work if you scan it? Or?
We'll find out. Let me see what's happening.
Please select what. Please insert cash, pay with credit card, or one of our other additional options.
98.
And this same watch now is $29 for a month. It's usually $25 for one.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And my name is Gabriel. Have a wonderful day.
Thank you, you too. It's hard pulling in here, though.
Yep.
I'm ready.
Smells good.
Uh-huh. Oh. He needs to get that bird poop on the top of my car.
Yeah.
But that's cool. He scrubbed the front and the back. Is that hot wallet?
Yep.
Smells like bubble gum.
Hmm? Hmm.
Oh, that's nice. That was a different car wash than where you used to go into.
Yeah. Oh, look, they add little vacuum canopies. That's cool.
I think I'm gonna go over there so I can vacuum and clean out all this trash in here.
Okay.
Here we go. That looks good, don't it?
Yep.